Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. So this is useful when you're trying to add or verify an account using a QR code. So to start, open up the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap Verified IDs. From there, choose Scan QR Code. After tapping that option, your camera should be open. Now, place the QR code inside the box on your screen and make sure the whole QR code is clearly visible, and try to keep your phone steady while it scans. Once the code is deleted, Microsoft Authenticator will continue the setup or verification process for that account. If the camera does not open or the app cannot scan the code, you may need to turn on camera permission first. So to do that, go to your phone settings, search for Authenticator, then open the Microsoft Authenticator app settings. After that, allow camera access. So once camera access is enabled, go back to Microsoft Authenticator, tap Verify IDs again, and select Scan QR Code. So this time, point your camera at the QR code and keep it inside the square until the app reads it. And that is how you scan a QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.